Where the world's oceans meet. The International Hydrographic Organization, IHO, defines the boundaries between the Earth's five oceans, although global consensus has yet to be fully achieved. Earth is home to five oceans, all interconnected to form a continuous body of water. Historically, only four oceans were recognized: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Arctic Oceans. In 2000, the IHO designated a new ocean surrounding the least inhabited continent, Antarctica, based on evidence that this body of water has a distinct ecosystem and unique influence on global climate. The Southern Ocean became Earth's fifth ocean and is the fourth largest, according to Amusing Planet. Like national borders, the boundaries of the five oceans have been officially defined by the IHO, though not all countries agree with these demarcations. The Pacific Ocean, the largest, spans from the Southern Ocean to the Arctic Ocean. Its eastern boundary runs along the coasts of North and South America, eventually meeting the Atlantic Ocean at Cape Horn, along a line extending from Tierra del Fuego to the Southern Ocean. Its western boundary includes the East Indies, the Philippine Sea, the Sea of Japan, and the Sea of Okhotsk in the Northern Hemisphere, while in the south it runs along the coasts of Australia and meets the Indian Ocean near Southeast Cape, the southernmost point of Tasmania. The vast size of the Pacific Ocean gives it significant influence over global climate and weather patterns. The El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO phenomenon, which originates in the Pacific, impacts weather conditions across continents, highlighting the interconnectedness of global water bodies. The Atlantic Ocean, the world's second largest, stretches from the Southern Ocean between the Americas, Africa, and Europe to the Arctic Ocean. The Atlantic is often described as a bridge between continents due to its role in human history, trade, and exploration. Its boundaries are less influenced by unique currents compared to the Pacific and Southern Oceans, reflecting its role as a conduit for transoceanic interactions. The Indian Ocean, the third largest, extends northward from the Southern Ocean to India, the Arabian Peninsula, and Southeast Asia. To the west, it hugs the African coastline until it meets the Atlantic at Cape Agulhas. To the east, it borders the Pacific Ocean near Tasmania. Unlike the Pacific and Atlantic, the Indian Ocean is almost entirely bounded by land to the north, which restricts the flow of water and creates a unique marine environment. It is known for its warm waters and monsoonal patterns, which profoundly affect the climate of surrounding regions. The Arctic Ocean's boundaries are more complex due to the fragmented nature of the surrounding landmasses. It connects with the Atlantic Ocean near Greenland and Iceland, and with the Pacific Ocean at the Bering Strait. As the smallest and shallowest ocean, the Arctic is rapidly changing due to climate change. Melting sea ice not only affects its ecosystems, but also opens new shipping routes and opportunities for resource exploration, raising questions about international jurisdiction and environmental preservation. The Southern Ocean has the most clearly defined boundary, a near-perfect circle surrounding Antarctica along the 60th parallel south. However, not all nations agree on this proposed boundary, and it remains unratified by IHO member states. This ocean plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate by acting as a major carbon sink and driving global ocean currents. Its unique ecosystem, including species adapted to extreme cold, makes it an area of immense scientific interest. Despite the defined boundaries, the world's oceans are intrinsically connected. Water flows between them, carrying heat, nutrients, and marine species across vast distances. This connectivity underscores the importance of treating the oceans as a single system when addressing environmental challenges such as climate change, overfishing, and pollution.